Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook lead ads. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically syncs your Facebook leads directly into HubSpot, saving you time and ensuring no potential customer falls through the cracks. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. If you already have an account, click the login button on the right-hand side of the page. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up and get started with their free tier. Once you're logged into your HubSpot dashboard, move your attention to the upper part of your screen and look for the Marketplace icon. This icon is your gateway to all the integrations and apps available for HubSpot. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the third-party tools and integrations that can enhance your HubSpot experience. You'll now be on the HubSpot Marketplace page. In the search bar at the top, type in Meta Ads. Meta is the parent company of Facebook, so this is how you'll find the Facebook lead ads integration. You'll see a list of results appear, and from these, click on Meta Ads to open the app page. Take a moment to review the app details carefully. This page shows you exactly what data can be synced, including contacts, companies, and deals. You'll also see what permissions are required for the integration to work properly. It's worth checking the pricing structure if you're on a paid plan, and reading through user reviews can give you insight into how well the integration performs for other businesses. When you're ready to proceed, click the Install button on the app page. This will redirect you to your marketing settings within HubSpot. Once there, click on Get Started with Ads. You'll now see a configuration screen that presents you with 3 options for linking your HubSpot account. You can choose to connect Facebook, Google Ads, or LinkedIn depending on where you're running your lead generation campaigns. For this tutorial, select Facebook to complete your Facebook lead ads integration. Once you've selected Facebook and followed the authentication prompts, your Facebook lead ads will begin syncing with HubSpot automatically. Every time someone fills out a lead form on your Facebook ads, their information will flow directly into your HubSpot CRM, allowing you to follow up quickly and manage your leads more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.